Hello everyone! Today is another challenge time, and this one is using trash to create treasure. And I'm making something for my Valentine. This is a monthly challenge hosted by Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine. And this month is co-hosted by Yami from the Latina Next Door. Links to their channels and the link to the playlist are in the descriptions of this video, so check it out. I've had this box for quite a while, several years. It's a nice sturdy box and I've been using it as storage, but I thought I would try turning it into a shadow box. Now I've got this old road atlas from 2006 that I'm going to be using the state of Alabama, my home state. And I'm going to cut out a heart shape using this empty Valentine candy box. And I'm going to make sure that it's covering some cities that are special to me and my husband. And there we go. And it covers. So I'm going to cut out that section of the map. Once I did that, I just used some Mod Podge, coated the box well, and put that heart-shaped piece of map on top. Making sure it's all smoothed down, just like so. Next I go in with some more Mod Podge on the top, and I'm using matte finish. Just slather it all over, making sure to get a nice even coating and getting those edges. Now this is a paper pad I've had for a while. I actually bought it for 50 cents at a thrift store. I'm still so excited about that. And I chose this cloud paper as a background. I measured how big I needed it and then used my straight edge cutter to cut it to size. Now let's see if it fits. Like a glove. Now slather in more of that Mod Podge. Cover the whole back of the box and then add my paper in. Now these are from the Dollar Tree. If you've been in Dollar Tree lately, you've seen these. It's just the little Valentine table scatter, and I'm choosing 4 of the large red ones. And then I went into my bead hoard and got some of the lettered beads out to spell out some words to go on those hearts. Now if I just put the beads on the hearts, it would have been flopping everywhere. I needed something sturdy to put them on, so I took these little balsa wood tags and cut them to the size that I needed. Then I just glued the hearts on with my hot glue. And I decided to go on the back with another heart in a different size in case the tags spun around. You'll see what I mean when the finished product comes up. Now I'm gluing my words on. Just like that. Too bad I couldn't fit the whole word married on there, but Mary will work. Now I'm taking some paint stirrers to measure out a frame for this. I thought it needed something to cover up the spaces around the edge so it doesn't look so much like a cardboard box that it is. Then I just fit them together, make sure I got my angles right, and put some hot glue on the seams in the back. I flipped it over and glued it on. And I think framing it out really added something extra to it. And I like the natural wood because I'm using natural wood on the tags. I glued my heart into place. And I added some more of the sparkly red hearts in the larger size because my seams weren't real great. I put on the tags, and then there I'm showing you that I'm adding a hanger on the back. And I'm just hot gluing that because this is not very heavy. Now here we go. There's where we shared our first date. There's where we first met. And there's the city where we got married. And then that last one is where we had our first kiss. I really like how it turned out. And here's an overview. Now I just cut the paint stirs with scissors, and I did have some splitting on one of them, but like I say, no biggie. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, do so.